Hello, welcome back to my channel. Are you guys ready for Valentine's Day? Yes, no? Maybe so? Well, like I told you before, Valentine's Day is one of my favorite holidays. So for today's project, guess what we're making? Valentine cards, so you can give one to your family and friends. If you're ready, let's get started. Okay, let me introduce you all the materials that you need for this project. First, you're gonna need a construction paper, a paper towel roll, some paint, and a paintbrush. Okay, let me start this project. First, you're gonna fold your paper in half, like this. Fold it. After I fold my paper, I'm gonna make my stamp. How am I making my stamp? With my paper towel roll, I'm gonna pinch the bottom like this and make a letter B. You see how I'm pinching? Okay. After I finish making my letter B, I'm gonna push in like this to make a heart, and try to adjust it. I will adjust it to make the heart. Okay. I adjust it and I make my heart. And then with my paint, I'm gonna mix the two colors here. I have red and white. I'm gonna mix the middle because I wanna get this effect. You see this effect, the red and white and pink? That's what I wanna create. Okay, I think I'm ready. Let's get stamping. Now we are going to make this card. For this card, you will need glue, construction paper, and hearts of various sizes. I'm using paper and sticker hearts. Let's get started on our heart air balloon card. Look how my cards turn out. They look so cute. I can't wait to give them to my Valentines. And look at what I made. I made a mailbox. I just found this shoebox. I painted and I made a friend. Maybe you can make one too. Thank you so much for watching. and happy Valentine. See you soon. Bye-bye.